Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have our 4th of July deal. This is our 4th of July deal coming to you first. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. I think we're at 27,000. We're like 27,200. Let's get to 28,000. Hype the channel. Comment below for the algorithm. And let's jump in. I appreciate all the HARBROs. 4th of July confirmed. 4th of July sale confirmed, starting July 2nd to July 5th, 250 years. And the way Harbor Freight rewards us is with the 15% off any single item. Now, as the HARBROs know, this is the bare minimum. This is what we gauge all of our deals against. Unless you absolutely need something, Harbor Freight has great prices just in general. But the idea is you always want to get something at a discount. And this is the bare minimum discount. So let's go. Let's jump into it. 15% off. God bless America. Any single item, 15% off. July 3rd to July 5th. 4th of July falls on a Saturday. So this is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Limit 1 coupon per customer per day. Valid in store and online while supplies last. Valid the 3rd through the 5th. Pre-sale included. Again, pre-sale means you go in and place the order in the store. Coupon must be presented at the time of use. 15% off any single item purchase, cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. Excludes Inside Track Club memberships, extended service plans, open box items, and gift cards. Other restrictions may apply. And then the ITC version of the deal, as you can see, it's also 15% off. And I'm not a big fan of these. HARBROs, please let me know what you think of these. It makes sense for some items, but I want to say it does not make sense for most items. And it's the 15% off any single item. So same deal as a super coupon for everybody, but it's just a day early. So the sale starts early for members Thursday, July 2nd. Now, the problem I have with this is just it doesn't feel like there's not many things that are going to sell out on Thursday versus Friday, Saturday, Sunday, because this is open to absolutely anything. If something's going to sell out, it's already sold out whether they had this coupon or not. And so that's my issue with this. HARBRO gods, Harbor Freight lords, I mean. If you're out there, spruce this up a little bit. 15% off any single item. Double asterisk. Sale starts early for members Thursday, July 2nd. So limit 1 uses per customer per day. Valid in store while supplies last. Valid the 2nd, only July 2nd. That's Thursday, pre-sale included. No coupon required. Discount applied at the register. 15% off any single item purchase, cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. No cash value. Non-transferable. Excludes Inside Track Club members, extended service plans, open box items, and gift cards. Other restrictions may apply. And this is the 4th of July sale, starting July 2nd. Of course, early for ITC, and then 3rd, 4th, and 5th for everybody else. And just as a quick reminder, since we're here, don't forget 30% off all items $20 and under this weekend for ITC, and 30% off all items $10 and under. Then, of course, 7 days of super deals ends today. So you still have some time, I'm pretty sure wherever you are, to maybe get to Harbor Freight if you haven't already. 7 days of super deals still going on. But we'll look at this. We'll go into what we recommend for the 15% off. As always, we start with the instant savings. Instant savings are going on through August 13th. So normally the HARBROs confirm whether items can be stacked. Tomorrow, we'll know for sure for the 30% off and under. And I know we looked at the 30% off and under for items that were $20 and under. So we're going to do the same, but we're going to sort again by price, high to low. But of course, this time we're going to look at items that are over 20 bucks because now, over 20 bucks because now this 15% potentially will stack with these instant savings deals. So starting with Vanguard, I know we skipped over this last time. So there's 3 different lengths. This is already 37% off. So great deal. Normally 45 bucks down to 28 bucks for the 50 foot. Get an extra 15% off. So a viable item to get an extra discount. And of the 3 sizes, the 50 foot is the only one that is on sale. So get it for cheaper than the 25 foot cord. So don't get the 25 foot cord. Get the 50 foot cord unless of course you don't need it. We have the Viking at 73 bucks, 18% off. Lightweight compact jump starter is capable of starting engines as large as 2.4 liter diesel and 3.5 liter V6 gas engines. Get up to 30 jump starts per charge and already 18% off. These have been 40% off, so let's see how close we can get. At $73, you'd get an extra 15% off. So get it down to 62 bucks out of 90. It's, what is that? 31% off. So a decent discount if you're able to stack it with the 15% off. But if you're patient, you can wait for a bigger discount on the Viking. Bauer 20 volt, 320 PSI, cordless portable power cleaner tool only, down to $53, only $60, 11% off. But get an extra 15% off, of course, 53 at an extra 15% off, get it down to $45. Save an extra $7, $8. Decent deal. Bauer 5.3 amp half inch by 18 inch band file belt sander, 18% off, down to $45. Get that down to $38.25. So save another $7. And compared to the $55 originally, it's 30% off. It's a decent deal. When we're hovering in the 30% off of items, that's where we want to be, that or higher, of course. Chicago Electric Power Tools, only 10% off. So getting an extra 15% off is not crazy, but down to $45. Get an extra $7 off that as well. The Pittsburgh 2-ton compact trolley jack at $35. I feel like the trolley jack is always hit or miss. There's been more positive feedback recently, but there's been negative feedback in the past. But $35, does anybody want anything from the trolley? Let me know if you get that reference. $35, down from $50, but you'd get an extra 15% off, down to sub $30. So get it for $29.75 compared to the original price of $50. Getting it over 40% off, almost 41% off if you wait for the 4th of July weekend sale. And it still will be going on. This goes on through August 13th. It's nuts. Crazy long instant savings. 40% off. And then we have Apache 3800 weatherproof protective case. Only 12% off. Apache is one of those items that goes on sale constantly for 30 to 40% off. So we're going to skip this because even with the 15% attached, you can see it. You will get it cheaper eventually. Same thing for this Warrior, $35, only 12% off. I mean, you could get an extra 15% off if you'd like, but those percentages off, not the biggest. Premium wide mouth pressure washer, foam cannon, $30, 14% off already. At this point, you're going to get an extra, almost $5 off. And that'll be roughly the case for the rest of these that are sub $30. Banks 18 gauge 2-in-1 brad nailer at $30. Get an extra almost $5 off. Bauer 6 amp 3-inch high-speed electric cutoff tool at $28, 20% off. So these have decent discounts. So it makes sense for these to get that extra 15% off. At $28, you're also going to get close to $5 off. The Quinn 3/8-inch drive metric bolt extractor sockets at 9-piece, 16% off already, down to $25. Subtract that 15% off, get it down to $21.25. So saving almost an extra $4. So decent deal. All those sockets will and do go on sale, not often, but relatively often. They get to that 30, 35% off, in the past 40%. And this with the extra 15% is rounding up to about 30% off. So not a bad deal if you do want to get it now. And then the other option for Quinn, also $25, same discount. Braun Light at 20% off already, down to $24. So that's just outside the 30% off $20 and under items, but at $24, get it down an extra 50, get it down to $20.40. So saving overall almost 30% off, almost 33% off. But again, all Braun items in the past year or two go 35 to 40% off. So not a bad discount to get it now if you need it now. But you can also be patient and get a big discount in the future because they'll do another Braun sale. And then the last one that's not sub $20 is the pressure washer stubby spray gun, $23, 14% off. Get about an extra $3-ish off. So get it sub $20. And then the rest would be your reminder for the 30% off all items $20 and under and 30% all items this weekend. We've gone over it. We probably could do a second list based off what the HARBROs have said. Maybe I'll do that next time. You make me a list in the comments. Maybe I'll do that this time. I'll peruse the comments, see if we have something as a reminder for tomorrow. Actually, you know what? Let me know what you're going to get. If we get enough things listed in the comments, I'll go look back at the other video. I'll make a video of that for tomorrow to give everybody a list of what everybody wants and what everybody's getting. But again, just a reminder, 30% off this weekend. If you have time today, 7 days of super deals. Let me know what you've gotten. And then 4th of July, July 2nd to July 15th. Let me know what you think of this early access to ITC. Let me know if you're not a fan of it like I am. But either way, I'll take it. Just hopefully they improve it. And I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. Happy harbor freighting. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.